so much for being here and watching. If you are new, hi, my name is Kitty. I post an unboxing or beauty or subscription box related video every single day. I would love if you joined and subscribed. We actually hit 9K last night, so thank you everybody. Look out for a giveaway coming soon. Today we're opening up the Boxycharm Premium for May. So in today's video we're going to do an unboxing. I did try on some of the items in this box. The makeup I'm wearing today is actually a combination of makeup from Ipsy Ultimate and then this Boxycharm Premium. And at the end of the video I will do a quick review of last month's products. So if you are curious, my dimensions and weight and all of that for this box, it was 1.5 pounds or 0.68 kilograms, and the dimensions are 11 by 10 by 4. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. Probably could have been a smaller box, but whatever. I did get a card. Sometimes now Boxycharm will do a virtual insert card. So the theme is Mother Nature. And I have variation number 44. They just keep coming out with more. I think the highest number I've seen so far is like 79 or something like that. So if you don't know, Boxycharm Premium is $35 and you get, I believe, 6 to 7 full-size items a month, or they're supposed to be full-size. Yeah, that's a whole nother thing. So yeah, I think we're supposed to get at least $175 worth in value. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will leave a link down below. They usually always have something like when you sign up, a free gift. So if I can find the information, I will leave that down below. With the Boxycharm subscriptions, for all of them, you get to customize at least one item. And let's start with the item I customized. I got to try this out today as well. I decided to choose the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil Longwear Gilded Bronzer. So when Choice was originally out for this month, one of the options was sold out by the time I looked. You could have gotten like an Hourglass Vanishing Highlighting Stick that was sold out, this chocolate gold bronzer, or an eye cream. And they originally showed a matte bronzer when I selected it, and then I got an email saying it's actually their luminous bronzer. So at first I was like, do I still want that? But I decided not to change it. So it has super cute packaging, and normally I use like matte bronzers, so I was like curious how this would work. It smells good like chocolate. Swatch. So I applied the sun camera like I said earlier. It's been a few hours now. I probably did this like 3 hours ago, and I think it still looks great. I actually really love this bronzer. So I used it on my cheeks and my forehead like usual. At first I thought maybe it would make me look too luminous, but I actually like a really glowy look, and it blended really well. It's buildable at first with most bronzers. Since I'm so fair, I was worried it would be too dark or too pigmented, but I actually really like this. I haven't tried too many Too Faced products actually at all, so I wasn't sure what to expect, but I really like this. So let's look and see how much this cost. Wow, this is $30. It says this best-selling chocolate soleil bronzer just went gold. Bathe your skin in a long-wearing golden glow with this cocoa powder-infused bronzer created with real shimmering gold that smells like a chocolate dream. I really like how it's like luminous but not like chunky glitter. I think I will get a lot of use out of this bronzer, and it's so big I feel like this will last forever. How much product do you get in here? You get 8 grams or 0.28 ounces. So yeah, I'm super happy that I selected this item. The next item I also used today, and it's a mascara. This is by Kevyn Aucoin. It's the Expert Mascara. We could have gotten either this or a Too Faced eyeshadow palette. I was hoping to get the eyeshadow palette, but it's fine. So I got a mascara this month, and I got a mascara last month. We'll talk about that later. So yeah, I'll insert the clip of me trying this. The wand is interesting shape. When I first started to apply it, I wasn't really sure like where to start, but I was able to figure it out, and I do like how it looks. There's like a little bit of transfer under my eye right now. I don't think my eyes are watering at all, but like I said, my makeup's been on for like 3 hours now. But usually I use tubing mascaras and I don't get that transfer problem, so I'm gonna keep an eye on this the rest of the night. And like how I'm doing a review later on the video, next month I will let you know how long this lasts and how good it really is. Because sometimes mascaras need like a week to open up, you know what I mean? Like they start to work a little bit better. So this is $29. The Expert Mascara has a weightless formula that's buildable and leaves lashes their fullest while being soft to the touch. even after multiple applications. It is formulated with Japanese camellia oil to fortify lashes and make them more elastic and resilient. I do like how they look, so yeah, I'm excited to keep using this. And it did really feel soft when I was applying it. I could tell that. I'm almost out of my favorite Thrive Cosmetics mascara, so I could use a new one. So yeah, not what I wanted, but so far I like it at least. So the only other item I tried was a brush in this duo from BRANDT. So this is a brush set that contains a powder brush and then a contour foundation brush. I use the powder brush to apply my blush that I received in my Ipsy. So I do like these brushes. They have like a sturdy gold handle. I never knew that BRANDT made other items besides lashes. So here's the powder brush that I use for blush. I don't know if I would use it for blush again, but I do like it. Normally I clean my brushes before I use them, but I just felt like being risky and try them out today. But yeah, these seem like good quality, but get this, their price tag is $90. I don't think these are $45 each. I don't know if any brush is worth that in my opinion, but I mean, I still need to try the contour brush. They do seem really great, but I would never pay $90, but I guess I'm happy to get that in a box. You know, that's what I love about subscription boxes. You get items you would never normally pick out for yourself or spend money on. So it says, this high-performance powder and contour brush set is an excellent addition to your makeup accessories. Experience the transformative power of contouring with the only brush you'll ever need to sculpt, enhance, and define like a pro. I just still can't believe $90 for 2 brushes. Yeah, and they're cruelty-free. They say they're made out of Taklon bristles. I don't know exactly what that is, but yeah, when you see that price tag, you think maybe they'd be like animal, would come from animals, but it doesn't, so I'm happy with that because I don't use animal products and I like to be cruelty-free. Next up, we have a skincare item. Oh my gosh, I was just saying in my Ipsy video, I think I got something from this brand. I'm like, I've never heard of them before. Yeah, okay, so I just had to double check. We got a peel-off mask in Ipsy Ultimate, but the Pure Heals by Nature Village Centella 90 Ampule. So this is a Korean beauty brand that I never heard about until like an hour or two ago. And what is this supposed to do? It says skin irritation test completed. It says soothing ampule which contains Centella Asiatica extract. It relieves irritations of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. I don't know much about that ingredient, so I'm gonna have to look into it. If you don't know, I'm really into skincare and learning more about ingredients, and I get really excited about trying new skincare, so I will have to look into this and I'll let you guys know next month or in a future video. And it says how to use after cleansing, even out the skin tone with a toner and apply a moderate amount of the product on the face and gently pat for better absorption. So this is what it looks like. I do like the packaging. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. So it has a little dropper. It doesn't really have a scent. Oh shoot, I have that bronzer on my hand. Wow, just a little bit goes a long way. So let's see if they have any other information on the little handout, because I'm still not sure what it's supposed to help irritated skin. That could be useful if it helps like burnt or like sun damaged skin in the warm months that are coming. So it's $28. It says a soothing serum containing 90% of Centella Asiatica extract relieves irritations of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. This serum contains ceramide 3, which helps strengthen damaged skin's moisture barrier and keeps the skin clear from the external environment. Oh, that's great that it contains ceramides. Those are really good for your skin. So yeah, I don't have, well, I do get like red, but I wouldn't say I have the most sensitive skin. But like I said, I'm gonna look more into this product and I will try it out and let you guys know how it is. If you guys have tried it, any of these products that I ever talk about, I would love to know your experience with them. So 2 more items. So earlier I was like, you're supposed to get full-size items in this box, but like, look how little this is. I've heard other people say that the milk products they receive are super small, but they're claiming this is full-size. I have multiple milk products. Some might have expired, but I know like I got a little mini set that had their different skincare items, like they're like watermelon serum, they're like cooling eye gel, and they were this size. So how much is in here? I didn't even see what this was yet. Does it even say the size on here? It doesn't say. But yeah, I would say this is mini, but what this is, I should tell you by now. It's a Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. It's a sheer blush and lip stain packed with hydrating rice bran oil for a shimmering wash of color. So the full-size item of milk product I have is their blur sticks. Let me show you that. So yeah, this is what I would consider to be a full-size milk product. All of their items come in this like stick form, but let's just forget about the size. How much do they say this is? $15. A sheer shimmering mini lip and cheek tint for a lip from within glow on the go. Antioxidant rich rice bran oil provides skin with a surge of hydration and vitamins for an instant good for you glow, where on cheeks is a glowy blush or lips is a popsicle stain. Color payoff builds as you swipe. The mini size fits in your bag, pocket, or tiny apartment. They admitted to that mini size. So there's a little bit safety seal cap on it. Why am I struggling to get this off right now? First instinct was to smell it. I don't know why. So it does like kind of look oily. Let's put a little bit on my hand. Oh. So lip. I have a little bit of lip product on. I had a liquid lip on earlier and then I put some lip oil on right before filming. Maybe I should like blot my lips and then I can try this. Yeah, it just provides like a little bit of color and it is a little bit shimmery as well. So yeah, I feel like I would use this way more as a lip product like I just did, but I guess I'll have to try it out. I typically use powder products for like everything besides my lips, so I should be more adventurous. I will try this on my cheeks in the future and let you guys know in my review next month how it is. But yeah, this is super tiny, but I don't see myself like rushing through it. And I do like how it looks on the lips, actually. Oh, we have the last product here, and it's also a lip product, and this is by Sugar Rush. I just received a Sugar Rush product in my last box as well. You kind of can like see in subscription boxes, like when brands kind of like put their stuff out. I feel like they do it in like a lot of boxes at once, but at least they're different items. The Sugar Rush Tarte Best Bud Lip Butter Balm in Peony. I do like lip balms. Oh, this is so cute. Even like the packaging is so cute. But look, the top is a little flower. I think the Sugar Rush brand by Tarte is like targeting a younger audience, but lip balms can be used by everyone. I was expecting it to smell like peony, like the shade name, but it smells more like vanilla icing or something like that. Yeah, so it's just a nice balm. Maybe I'll put this like on my bedside. I don't always like little jars and then putting it on your lips and then putting it back. I feel like that could be unhygienic, but we're all washing our hands a lot now, right? So it's okay. So this is $12, wow, for this little lip balm. I mean, it is adorable. You'll have the real MVP, most valuable pout with this hydrating butter lip balm. Your lips will look as good as your perfectly curated IG feed. My Instagram is so slack and I'm bad at that. I need to be better about posting on there. I always leave my socials down below if you guys do want to be friends on Instagram. But yeah, that was everything. Not the most exciting box. I think the bronzer like totally makes it for me. I really do like this. And yeah, I mean the mascara is fine, the brushes are fine. I don't really need any more brushes. I definitely don't need any more mascara. I don't know much yet how I'll like this skincare product, but I'm excited to try it. But yeah, I don't know. This box hasn't seemed to be like the best. Like, I think in the past few months I've liked my base box better. I still haven't even received shipping or anything about my base box, so hopefully that'll come in soon. So yeah, I guess I'll have to make the call next month which box is better since I only have my premium now. But yeah, this definitely isn't my favorite box, but I guess I paid $35 and the bronzer is almost $35, and if everything else works out for me, I mean the brushes definitely would not $90, but yeah, just fine. It's good. It's not awful, but not amazing either. But now let's transition into the review for the last month. So like I said earlier, last month we received a mascara too, so I hope this isn't a theme. Like I wish they would look at what they send you for each person so they don't have as many repeats. I mean, some people might need another mascara that fat. I don't know. So we had the Mile High Club mascara last month. I actually already had it, so I gave away the one I just received since I had an unopened one. I used it in last month's try-on portion of the video, and I haven't used it since. As you all probably know if you've been around, I love my Thrive Cosmetics mascara, but like I said, it's running out, so I definitely need to use this. So these two mascaras will be the ones I focus on over the next month. I do apply mascara almost every day, so I do go through them, and I like to toss them after 3 months. No matter what. I mean, some people use their mascaras up to 6 months, but I don't know. Just me, I like to go by the expiration dates. So yeah, this mascara I haven't used again, but I do like it. It is like a tubing mascara like the Thrive Cosmetics one, so I honestly didn't give it another shot to talk much more about it. This review is gonna be kind of lame, so a few things I gave away. I gave away the Libido cream. It's like a anti-aging cream or something like that. And I gave away the Opulent Beauty brushes. There's like a pack of 3 face brushes. I guess I have so many brushes. I probably shouldn't even use the ones I got today, but I like getting new brushes still, even though I have a large brush collection, and I did like those Baddington ones. So yeah, a lot of brushes too in the box. The item I liked the best was the Becca blush, and this is the item I customized last month, so it seems like the item I got to choose is the one I always like the most, and this is the item I've definitely used the most out of last month's item. So it's super pretty. It's like a shimmery glowy blush, which I've been really liking lately. I've been kind of alternating between this one and my Hourglass like ambient lighting blush, because I really just like that like shimmery glow. Maybe that's why I like the shimmering bronzer. I don't know, I feel like it's just like a spring and summer type look that I am digging. So yeah, this is the best item I received. The worst item I received, I haven't tried again, was that awful Juice Beauty Lippy. I couldn't even find it a few minutes ago when I was going through my stuff for this video. I was just like, screw it, like I don't even want it anyways. I just didn't like it at all. It was like patchy on my lips. They said it was a liquid lipstick, but it was like more like a gloss consistency. Definitely didn't dry out down at all. Didn't look good. It was like sheer. Like what liquid lipstick is sheer, you know? So yeah, I did not like that Juice Beauty lipstick, so that was probably the worst item. And then one I haven't tried yet, which I was so excited to get. I'm still excited to have it. Where I have it somewhere here, let's see. Like, I was so thrilled to get this, the Pharmacy Honey Potion Mask. I've heard such great things from so many people, but I just forgot to use it. I think mostly because this is meant to hydrate your skin, and I just have not had dry skin lately. So usually when I use a mask, I use it for like a targeted treatment, like fine lines, acne, whatever's going on at the moment that's bothering me, but dryness hasn't, so I just haven't used this yet, but I'm very happy to have it. I can't wait to try it. I should use it later tonight or something. I was gonna use it before I filmed today. I was like, a lot of people I've talked to said they use it at nighttime, so I don't know if it's like the best for before makeup. If you guys have used this mask before makeup, is it good? Because sometimes masks are great to use before makeup, like it just gives a more flawless application. But yeah, so that was everything. Like I said, kind of a lame review this month. I'm sorry. I'll do better about trying the products for the next month. I'm like sweating right now. I forgot to turn the air down before filming. Usually I do that. Yeah, so I think so far my feelings about Boxy Premium is that it's not that premium, it's not that, you know, amazing, but hopefully they improve, you know, but like, so I'm curious to see what I get in my base box, because yeah, last month the base box definitely won, but I did get some good things. I don't know. You guys have to let me know your thoughts. Do you think Boxycharm base box or premium is better? Because I know it's only $10 more, but like you're supposed to get like $50 more in value or something like that. And I don't know. It just wasn't the most exciting month last month or this month in my opinion, but I did get some good things, so trying to be positive. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I love you so much. I hope you're all safe and healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.